Hey there, couch potato travelers. Welcome to the sweet world of Sweden's Lördagsgodis, or as we call it, Saturday candy. Picture this, a place where kids, and let's be real, grown-ups too, can't wait for the weekend. Not just for cartoons or fun, but for a super sweet sugar rush that's totally allowed by tradition. But how did this sugary Saturday saga begin? Let's rewind to the 1950s. Back then, Sweden faced a cavity crisis of epic proportions. Dentists were busier than beavers and something had to be done. Enter the medical geniuses who suggested an unheard-of idea. Limit candy consumption to just one day a week. And there it was. Lördagsgodis was born, a sweet solution to keep those pearly whites shining. Fast forward to today, and this tradition is still as strong as ever. Every Saturday, children clutch their allowances, eyes gleaming with the prospect of sugary delights. They approach the Lördagsgodis, those glorious pick-and-mix candy walls, with the precision of a scientist and the enthusiasm of, well, a kid in a candy store. But it's not just about indulgence, there's a method to this sweetness. Many families have a rule: just one piece of candy for every year of the child's age. So, a 7-year-old gets 7 pieces. An 8-year-old gets 8. A 9-year-old gets... Well, you get the idea. It's a delicious math lesson where everyone wins. Beyond the sugar rush, Lördagsgodis teaches valuable life skills. Children learn budgeting by deciding how much of their weekly allowance to spend on sweets. Do they splurge on that giant gummy bear or play it safe with a handful of jelly beans? Here's the cherry on top. By enjoying candy on just one day, Swedes have found a balance between indulgence and dental health. It's a win-win where taste buds and teeth live in harmony. So next time Saturday rolls around, think of Sweden's Lördagsgodis. It's more than just a treat, it's a tradition that blends joy, discipline, and a touch of sweetness. And who knows, maybe adopting a Saturday candy ritual could make your weekends a little sweeter too. See you next time, couch potato travelers.